A corner office high in the sky, a manager built his kingdom on lies. Mimicking his mentor, nothing but a drawn-up persona so fake it chills to the bone. Roaming risk, reckless and unfit, a throne built on fear, a kingdom of bullshit. Only measured by directs, he plays the fool, trading in dirt in a cesspool of tools. Paternalistic walls like a fortress of jerks, rigid working hours, command and control quirks, performance reviews, a joke of a scam, top-down decisions moving resources like spam. Favoritism looms, subordinates he'd slay, disregard for the well-being, a real tyrant at play. Ass kissing upward, shoving blame down in his power trip. He's the worst clown until Agile consultants arrive with post-its in their stride. You might be obsolete, they bluntly implied. Change your ways or fade away, psychological safety and new dawn's day. Why should I care? He fought with a sneer. This sounds like no fun, get out of here. Then he plotted a devious coup, teaming with peers, a backstabbing crew. Paternalistic walls like a fortress of jerks, rigid working hours, command and control quirks, performance reviews, a joke of a scam, top-down decisions moving resources like spam. Reliability, clarity, twisted to dust, turn consultants' wisdom into corporate bust. His sabotage worked, the consultants did flee, leaving his fiefdom of pure tyranny. In the end he triumphed, the hierarchy stay, a kingdom of fear where his power never sway. But deep down he knows, in his blackened heart, true progress and his kingdom are miles apart.